What's up, everybody? DJ Runner Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all. So yeah, y'all see what's on the table here. Now y'all know whenever something hit this table right here, it's an unpackaging going on. So what do we have here, y'all? Let's see. It's something from the Drunken Chef Barbecue. Woo! Yes, that's right. The Drunken Chef Barbecue, y'all. Yeah. Let's see what I ordered there. Yes, I'm excited about this. Now y'all make sure y'all go check my man out. Now the Drunken Chef, man. Look, you talking about can throw down, man, with some grilling and cooking, boy. Yes, sir. Y'all need to check him out. So yeah, let's open this up here. See what we got here. All right. Okay, y'all ready? Ooh, that's right. Got some of that seasoning. Woo! Turn it around for y'all. Yes, indeed. Make sure I got everything straight. So, let's check it out, y'all. All right. So, this is the seasoning that I ordered from him. Check it out. His own special blend. Y'all see it. Drunken Chef Barbecue. This the SPG jalapeno seasoning right here. Boy. Y'all know I'm gonna get down with this. I can already taste it like on some hamburgers or something right about now. Yeah, buddy. And this right here is the SPG right here. Yes. Y'all see it? Yes, indeed. So this is just some of his seasoning that he sells on his site. So I'm gonna show y'all his information. Look, y'all make sure y'all go check him out. Make sure y'all connect with him now. That's my bro right there. Y'all see it. Drunken Chef Barbecue. That's right. And here's his info on the back. And right here, you see at the bottom, this is where you go order the seasoning from. Right there. So y'all go to there right there, and you got an option of how many that you want to buy, you know. Matter of fact, I think he said he's coming out with some more to add to this lineup too. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. I know I will for sure, because guess what? I love to cook. So yeah, this is his information. That's his YouTube right there. Y'all make sure y'all go link up with my bro now. Y'all see it. Drunken Chef Barbecue. And that's a Gmail right there. Yes, go check him out, y'all. So this is a card that he gives you when you place an order. And of course he got some cool stickers. Y'all see that? I like that. And of course, look at this here. He tells you, thank you for your support. That's right, bro. We got you, man. We got you. That's right. So yes, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I can't wait to use this. I already know. Yeah, this right here. Ooh. Throw that on some meat. That's a variety right there. And it's jalapeno. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm really gonna enjoy this. I already know. So yep, this is what I ordered right here, y'all. And like I said, he has more on his site, so y'all make sure y'all go check him out, y'all. Drunken Chef. Check him out. Once again, here's his info right there. That's his YouTube. Go connect with him. That's his Gmail, and that's his site right there at the bottom where you can order all the seasonings that you want. That's it. Hey y'all, look, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And also, hey look, share it out, y'all, so everybody know. And definitely turn on that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time I drop a video, y'all. So yes, this is a little short video, but hey look, I had to show my bro some love, man. Boy, like I said, I can't wait to use this here. Yes, indeed. You know it. So, come on, y'all. Let's go support my bro, man. Get the ordering. Get the ordering. Hey, if you love to cook like me, you're going to love this seasoning. And like I said, this is not all his seasoning. He has more. So, let's go support him, y'all. Let's do it. Yes, indeed. All right, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm also trying post his YouTube link up in the description, probably either the description or either post it here on the video so y'all can see. So hey, I'm just trying to help my bro out, y'all. Push it out there. So hey, look, I am out. Hey, on to the next one. And you know, I'm about to go do some cooking. That's right.